Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yes, I welcome all my old subscribers and the new ones as well. I welcome you to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble YouTube platform. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do justice to that for me so that I will keep on giving you more tips about your arbitrage journey. Yeah. So today I want to show you the easiest way to make profit. That's enough profit from your arbitrage journey. And today I'll be doing everything here for you to see it, show you all the secrets for you to see it. So follow me from the beginning to the end. Yeah. So first of all, this is my wallet and I have 563 Ghana cedis in my wallet right now. Yeah. So before I will start my trading, I'll go to buy and sell. So the buy and sell. So this is it. So it means that if I'm here to buy USDT, that means I have to spend 12.14 Ghana cedis to get what? One USDT. And if I have one USDT and I want to sell it over here, that means I'm selling it at the rate of 12.04. But we are here to buy the USDT and sell it somewhere. So I'll do it buy now. So the buy now, since I have 500 Ghana cedis in my wallet, let's invest 500 Ghana cedis. So investing 500 Ghana cedis, it means that I'm getting what? 41.16 USDT. Let me invest everything. 573, 573, 573. So investing 573, it means that I'm buying what? USDT for 47.17. And let me show you some secret thing. Are we seeing that when I click here, let me check, let me see, so that you see it. So you see that right now the rate is 12.14. Check this thing. If I click on the buy now, it will try and find a very what? A very cheap rate for me. So let's say I want to invest 573. You see, so this is the best rate. This is the best price rate. It means that right now I'm not buying the USDT at 12.17. I'm buying the USDT at what? Their best rate. Their best rate is what? 12.05. That means I'm buying the USDT at what? 12 Ghana cedis. So if I'm spending 573, it means that I'll be getting what? 4714. 4717. Sorry. 4717. You see that thing. Then I'll click on buy now, but I'm not buying it now. Yeah. So after buying it now, it means that if I go to my wallet, I'll be having what? I'll be having four. I'll be having 47.17 in my wallet here. I'll be having 47.17 in my USDT wallet. Have you seen it? Yeah. And this is how we will do it. Remitano, if you're doing your withdrawal from Remitano, it takes time. Unless you're doing, let's say, you're transferring a straight from USDT to what? USDT, that's true TRC20, but at times too, it can take time. So I will advise you to do this because when you go to Paxful and you're doing the trade, they have time limits. So if it delays small, the buyer will think that you're trying to what? Defraud him or her. So to beat or to do a genuine business, I would advise you that always you have to withdraw your money from here through crypto network, and you go to your exchange accounts, and you go to what deposits, or if you are using Binance too, you can use that. Then you go to USDT, then you click on what? Continue, and you copy your TRC20, and you go back to your wallet. So since I've already saved my wallet, you see that I've changed actions. So I cannot click on it and transfer the money from here. That's the 47.17. I'll transfer the money from here to what? To my Xnet account straight. You see? So if I come here and I'll come to my account, it will be it will add up. You see that thing? Yeah, but I'm doing this for tutorial sake. So we have to what? Pay attention to it very carefully. Yeah. So after that, I'll go straight to what? Paxful. And before you do this on Paxful, please make sure that you verify your phone number. You have to verify your phone number first. And you can't use one number to verify two accounts. No, it will never be possible. That's why I haven't verified this account, because I've already used my number to verify my main account. You see, so you have to also use your number to verify only one account. And after that, you have to enable the two-factor authentication. The reason why you have to enable this is because if you don't enable this thing, you may end up losing your money. So it's advisable that you always have to enable this thing, so that if something goes wrong, you can retrieve your money back. I'm advising you to enable this thing, or you may end up losing your money to scammers. Yeah. So when I come here, since I'm here to sell it, I'll click on sell it. USDT sell it. Yeah. So this is how it is. So it means that if I'm selling one USDT at Paxful normal rate, it was 11.98. But no, you see, we have people who are selling it at a higher rate. And before I go to this place, let me show you something. You can choose to, let's say, I want to trade with people from USA, people from Thailand. Right now, Thailand, their rate is very cool. Or people from, let's say, South America, their rate is very cool. You go to offer location and you let's say Brazil. Brazil. So when you see here, it will change. So let's say find office. So it will find office for you. So right now, this office from Brazil. You see, so before you do this global arbitrage, this is what I would advise you. First of all, you have to take your mathematical knowledge very serious and your rate, because 479 BRL. This is how you have to do it. 479 BRL 479 BRL to cedis to cedis 479 BRL to cedis is 1,000 maybe I've made a mistake. Let me 4.79. 4.79. 4.79. Yeah. You see, so 4.79 to cedis is what? 11.66. So it means that if you do trade with this person, you're running at what? At loss. So you have to find someone. Even if you want to do some trade with someone from Brazil, you have to find someone who is ready to spend, let's say, 6 BRL. 6 BRL upwards. You see that thing? 6 BRL upwards. You see? Yeah. Or else you'll be ending up losing your money. So at times, don't say that, nah, I'm doing trade with someone from this. Nah, don't do that. You have to calculate the rate, check the rate to Ghana cedis, so that you know that it's beneficial or it's not. It's like you're running as lost or you're gaining profits. Just to take good note about these things before you 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 stand up one day and be like, oh, I want to do global trading. You see, yeah, because global trading you have to what take all these things serious because some people think that some people from let's say Nigeria, Kenya, blah 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 are scammers. So like the person want to do trade with let's say people from let's say Brazil, Argentina, America. You see, you can do it, but you have to always compare their currency to what your currency and see that you are making good profits. Yeah. So that's how you can do your 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 trade, your global trade. But right now you're doing Ghana trade. So let me focus on these things and let's make profits. So I bought this thing, I bought my USDT at a rate of 12.0. So it means that if I sell it at the rate of let's say 14 apples, I'm making what? I'm making profits. Is that thing? Yeah. So if you can load more offers. You see, and this one is missed. Like have you seen that? Because this currency is what's global. It's every country, any country currency. So it means that it's mixed. So I can say that I can say let's say Ghana cities, only Ghana cities. Find it. You see. So it means that I'm trading with people from Ghana who are ready to us to take Ghana cities. A and the offer owner location have to be what Ghana. So it means that I have to do a trade with our people from what Ghana. Yeah. So let me search for someone with a good rate. So let's go down. So before you end up doing the trade with someone, you have to find out the person will be what doing it at a good rate. Yeah. So you go to load more so you find a good rate because like you spent 12 point something 12 Ghana cedis on one USDT. So if you want to what you want to sell it, you have to sell it more than that. So let me say I want to get these are for only trust office. So that's why the rate is very so let's switch it off better. So here we will get nice things. So have you seen this person 700 Ghana cedis, 17 Ghana cedis? Let me jump straight to trade with that person. So remember I spent 12 Ghana cedis on this thing. So if I'm selling this thing to a person who wants to buy it at a rate of 17.971, that means it's a big win for me. So this is how you calculate your thing. I want to receive, let's say I spent 571 Ghana cedis on it. So let's say I want to receive 800 cedis, 800 cedis. And remember, I have 47.17 USDT. So it means that I still have much to spend. So let's say if I want to receive 850 Ghana cedis, it means that I will release 47.29 USDT to this person. And remember, I spent 574. So minus 8850. So it means that I've made 276 Ghana cedis as profit. It means that I've made 276 Ghana cedis as profit. You see, so imagine doing this for let's say 5 times. You see, yeah, you're making money, you're making money. Yeah. So if you don't want it to be like to be fraud or to be scammed, make sure that you enable your factor authentication mode. You have to enable it so that you will not be get you will not fall into scammers hand. Yeah. So I think this is it. This is it. You can get so the reason why we have offers, we have trusted offers, and we have the other one is that the trusted offers are of people who have done a lot of trade over here, and the new offers are people who just joined it. So it will be very hard for them to jump into the trusted offers. But that doesn't mean that they are scammers. No, they are not scammers. They are not. Some are, but some are not. Yeah. So you can find a good rate and will start to do your trade with them. You see. So even if you do trade with this person, you still make profit because you spend 12 Ghana cedis per one USDT. So you still make profits from it. You see. Yeah. So I think I'm done. And if you have any question, I will leave my number in the screen on the screen and leave my number in the description so you can chat me and we'll vibe. I'm out.